In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted events in Google Calendar. We all know how unsettling it can be to accidentally delete an important meeting or a cherished event from your calendar. But don't worry, Google Calendar has a built-in feature to help you recover those misplaced events and will guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening Google Calendar on your desktop. This feature isn't supported on mobile devices, so make sure you're using a computer. Once you're on the Google Calendar website, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the gear icon, which represents your settings menu. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Trash. This is where all your deleted events end up. In the Trash section, you'll notice a list of all the events you've deleted in the past 30 days. That's right, Google Calendar keeps these in the trash for up to 30 days before they are permanently deleted. You'll need to act within this time frame to recover any missing events. Take a moment to browse through the list and find the event or events you wish to recover. Once you've identified the events that need restoring, hover your mouse over the event and you'll see a checkbox appear next to it. Click on this checkbox to select the event. You can select multiple events if needed, which is particularly useful if you've accidentally deleted a series of events or multiple entries in one go. After selecting all the events you wish to recover, look for the Restore button, usually located toward the top of the page. Click Restore, and just like that, the events will be moved back to your main calendar. It's reassuring to see that Google Calendar immediately reintegrates these events back into their original place before they were deleted, saving you the hassle of manually re-entering everything. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Firstly, always double check your actions on the calendar to prevent unintended deletions. Secondly, it's a good practice to periodically review your list of deleted events in the trash to ensure nothing important remains there by accident. Lastly, remember that while this recovery option is available, it has its limits. After 30 days, deleted events are removed permanently and cannot be recovered. And there you have it. You now know how to recover deleted events in Google Calendar. With this knowledge, you can confidently manage your calendar without the fear of accidentally losing important events. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.